everyone, Hunter from Hunter Vlogs here today, and we are going to play Sounds of Eyes. Well, anyways, we're going to play the cat fight. Yeah. Do you?
We're gonna play. It's Monday morning movies or music. All answers having to do with that category. Here we go.
Even know the
Blindside and Friday Night Lights both star Tim McGraw. They're about what sport? Football.
Football.
Will. Football. There you go.
That's what.
Yes.
What does Luke Bryan want you to kick up?
Dust.
Alex.
Alex.
Dust.
That was Alex. Will.
The dust up.
The dust up.
Yes. 2.
His very first music video was 13 minutes long. It has dancing zombies all through it. The song was Thriller. Michael Jackson.
Will.
Alex.
Will.
Michael Jackson.
I got you 3 points, my friend. You got the tickets, Luke Bryan, Little Big Town
You won?
Thursday night
I
cat
would've
stage
if I'd have
out
been on the
at
radio.
PNC. Congratulations, Will. That's a nice prize.
Thank you.
Okay.
You are welcome. Appreciate you
It's over
listening.
now.
Chance to go back.
Cat fight's over.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now let's play some Would You Rather. Hi everyone, Hunter from Hunter Vlogs here today, and I am here with
Mommy.
and we are going to play a little bit of Would You Rather. Okay, do you want to go first?
Sure.
Do you get it? Do you get the game?
Yeah.
Ask me a question.
Ask you a question?
Yeah.
Would you rather eat hot dogs or hamburgers?
Hot dogs. Hot dogs all the way. Okay, so would you rather swim in a pool with sharks? Or swim in a pool with sharks and dirty water and a pool cleaner?
Swim in a clean pool with sharks.
You wouldn't I said with the pool cleaner.
Yeah.
The dirty water will kill the sharks and you can clean the pool. That's why I said and a pool cleaner.
Well, I thought the pool cleaner would scare the sharks if they could bite me.
The dirty water helps you and it kills the sharks.
Okay.
Because if it's salt water but dirty, the sharks will die. If it's not clean water, the sharks will die. Your turn.
Would you rather pick your nose and eat it or pick your nose and wipe it on a tissue?
Pick my nose and wipe it on a tissue. That's easy. Okay, would you rather eat spaghetti or eat fried potatoes?
Oh, probably spaghetti.
Meat. No, actually, I would eat fried potatoes because your fried potatoes are the best. Best chef in the world right here. I wish I could upload them.
The cat number one for New Country. Monday morning back to school buses. Hey, right?
Right.
A lot of them out there this morning.
It's your turn.
Watch out for the kids.
Would you
All that stuff.
rather
What a wild
feed a bear or a tiger?
A tiger. All the way up, a tiger. Which one would you rather feed?
Tiger.
Me too. Okay, would you rather have a German Shepherd or Coyote.
A German Shepherd.
Okay, your turn.
Would you rather drive a car or a truck?
Truck. And we're driving a car right now. Okay, it's my turn. Would you rather would you rather have a pet black-footed ferret or a pet prairie dog?
Probably a ferret. Because the prairie dog isn't as interactive with you as a ferret is.
The
And I like to watch
black-footed
them jump.
ferret.
What's the difference?
A black-footed ferret likes to kill a ferret. What did I just say? Like, would you rather have a black-footed ferret or a
Prairie dog.
prairie dog? They like to kill prairie dogs.
Well, that would be kind of tough for them because prairie dogs can be mean. I used to take care of some at the pet shop, and nobody could touch them because they bite.
No, prairie dogs didn't do anything. They would just warn the others and jump down a hole. And the black-footed ferret is big enough to go down in after them. And there are only 750 left.
There is.
756 left. I heard that on Wild Cracks.
Ferrets or
Ferrets.
prairie dogs?
Ferrets. They're so endangered that there are only 756 species left. Species of black-footed ferrets left.
Would you rather climb a tree or climb a cactus?
Climb a tree. Which one would you rather climb?
Tree.
Me too. I'm not getting stuck by a cactus. Would you rather eat pizza or eat fried potatoes?
Fried potatoes.
Dang it.
I'm tired of pizza.
But what if you didn't eat pizza every day? Kids in my school would say pizza up all the way.
Well, y'all are kids. Would you rather have your new room or Sissy's new room?
My new room. Why am I just holding the camera down at my foot? Would you rather jump on the sun or jump on the moon? Me too. Oh no. How does the sun look for you? It's a giant ball of fire. What do you expect? Your turn.
Would you rather plant a garden and have vegetables or buy them at the store?
Have a garden and plant vegetables. I'm not spending my money on carrots. Like carrots and tomatoes when I can easily just grow them. What would you do? Me too. We did that last summer.
Probably do it this summer too.
Probably. I want to have a
Time
pool.
this year.
I want to have a pool at our new house. Pool house, a pool, a tree house, and
How do you wind up? Did you
in the
ask
garden.
him on a date to the Darius Rucker show? You said, did you have
Your
extra
turn.
tickets or figured you get tickets when you got there?
Would you rather be floating around it?
There and,
Be floating around?
man, what a show. Dennis
Hang on, what?
Michael Ray,
Would you rather?
folks, super cool. And
Would you rather be human or an alien?
into the,
I would rather be an alien.
Ed Dixon was out there for the
Wow.
Panthers.
I don't know.
So I'm wondering.
Would you rather go to the doctor or the hospital?
The doctor. Would you rather go to the dentist or the doctor? Leave your comments below.
Probably the dentist.
Me too. I would go for the doctor. Leave your comments below. What would you do? This video is 10 minutes long. I hope you enjoyed. Okay everyone, that's all the time we have in this video. Hope you like it. If you did, smash that